Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, and today I'll show you how to enable and also set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find it somewhere in the mess of toggles in here, so you just look for it. There it is, so it's mobile hotspot, that's what it's called on here. So before you actually toggle it on, you want to hold that option and it will take you to settings. So start off by choosing your password. This one seems to be kind of all around weird. All you need to know is it needs to have at least 8 characters in length, and once it does, tap on save. And then you have the Galaxy Z Flip F791. That's basically how the network will be named. So you can change that to something else. Tap on save and then choose your band. Now by default set to 2.4 because that's primarily what every smartphone can connect to. 5 GHz is a better one, but the older devices cannot connect to it, cannot even see the 5 GHz network. So if you choose the 5 one because it's better and your device doesn't see it, just go back and drop it to 2.4. And once that's set, you can basically quit it and toggle it on and off at will from here. So just like this, and that's all you need to do. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.